Hey, good morning. Good morning, fellas, ladies, and gentlemen. We are live. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Let's do this. We're on time today. We're starting off on the right foot today. We are on time. R5 Studios, good morning. Jag Raj, good morning. JB, good morning. Traderous Chick, Black Coffee Trader, good morning. Let's go. Vincent and Ella, good morning. Timbo, S, Jack Wiley, Dean Bishop, good morning. Fred Yeager, Zipster, good morning. John, good morning, John. How we doing? Old school, Dove Gordon, Bruce Lee, Aluwatosin, Niles, Nicholas, Orpra, Berlin, good morning. Clyde, good morning. For Money. Hey, good morning, For Money. Good to see you. Recklaw, Larry Hudo, Rizzy, Tanush, Daniel Carbonal, good morning, good morning. Let's do this. Wow, what a pretty decent overnight. Actually, most of this profit I got in this morning's session. Just buying the pullbacks. Some pretty nice price action this morning. Let's hope it keeps up during the day. Let's hope for once it can keep up during the New York session. I guess we'll wait and see. Good morning, Lawrence. Good morning, Niles. Did I watch Daryl's yesterday's interview with Daryl? No, I did not. I have a pretty good idea what he's gonna say, so I mean, I might listen to it at some point, but yeah, we have our My Funded Future accounts. We are ready to roll on my Funded Future accounts. I think now that we have all three accounts at the same balance, I'm gonna trade them together and see if we can't get get more payouts. That's the plan. $1,200 at a time. Just waiting for the Alcaraz versus Paul match in tennis. I see. Let's go. Best Guess Trading, good morning. Rippin' and Dippin', good morning. Darren Koss, good morning. Look who has the #1 crown today. Let's go. I like it. Okay, nice. All right, I'm very curious to see what we do here at the open. This is kind of I don't know, this is kind of an interesting here. We have on the daily chart, it is looking very bullish, and I'm definitely looking for longs, but I think we just have to be careful. Got to be careful of that big dip before the rip. And as long as we can just be patient, I think we can get some good setups today. It's so tempting to go long right here, but right before the open, I think I shall wait. We shall wait and see what this market wants to do. All right, let's see. Is this going to be another just straight up move? Looks like it. Just going straight up, boys. This is where it's so crazy. It just feels like sometimes. Wow, look at that. Oh, go. It's a ripping. And it's so tempting to just go long right there. But I did not. All right, 590s. It's pushing the 590s here. And I'm going to struggle if this thing just goes straight up now. We've seen some very clean moves right off the open the last couple weeks. Some very clean moves right at the open. Now I guess we wait. We don't want to chase it. Now we wait. A 305 rookie trades. How we doing? what about yesterday question about take profit trader? I mean, I haven't really heard. Did anyone get I didn't really see any updates regarding the whole Tradivate delayed data. Does someone have any more information on that? I don't know. Grant Thompson, good morning. For DP Trader, PW's trading micros. I seriously doubt that. But I don't know. Stinkfinger is in the building. Micro player, good morning. Oh man. Hey, we are getting the pullback here. This is always where it's like, okay, how big is the pullback? It's so hard to tell. Honestly, I would not mind to see a pullback back to like the VWAP would be, I would not mind that at all. Oh man. Hopefully we get some nice price action. I would love to trade my Apex accounts. I probably would have traded my Apex account yesterday afternoon. But I went golfing. And after I ended stream, I went golfing. I thought, today's going to be a sideways day. Actually ended up being the afternoon session had some pretty nice price action. It was one of those grinding higher kind of afternoons and definitely would have had some nice setups. So, a little bit of FOMO on that, but oh well, I'm sure we'll get more opportunities. Good morning, Nail. I talked to them and they answered pretty fast. My question was if that they promote is really true because it looks too good compared with others. 305 rookie trades. No, I mean, 305 rookie trades. If that is your question, Take Profit Trader is definitely legitimate. They are definitely legit. And the current plans and stuff they have definitely works. So I would have no issues saying that. So if that is your question, I feel pretty confident saying, yeah, you will get paid. You will get paid. Hey, good morning, Ace Undercover. How are we doing? Matty Matt in the building. Good morning, Matty Matt. Yeah, we balling out 2,300 in profit. Basically, all of that was in the pre-market. All of that was pre-market for the most part. Now we're going to try to get a good setup. I love to get my Apex accounts, get like a $200-300 day in those accounts and just start. I want to start just continue slowly building those accounts. Might take another couple weeks, but I'm going to be picky about how I trade them. And again, I guess I need to do another video that isn't muted. I was going to do it last night, but then people came over and I couldn't do the video, but let's go, Matty Matt. You're 550 to 750 away from payout now. Let's go, Matty Matt. Just remember, it's okay. Just take it slow. Take it slow. Don't get, it's so weird. It is so weird how as you get close to payout, everything starts to just get weird. Yes, I did fix my camera. You guys know what it was? It was so weird. My issue wasn't the camera, it was my outlet. Not my outlet like in the wall, but I have a USB, like a little USB charger that I use to charge my um geez, I forgot how to talk. To charge my camera, and I don't know what happened, but the USB thingy is what actually was bad. And I had the hardest time figuring it out because I'm like, I tried different cords and nothing would power on my camera. And finally, I took this camera out, replaced it with my other camera, and the same thing happened. I'm like, okay, something is up. Well, then I plugged it into a different wall outlet and a different USB, and then it powered on no problem. And then I finally figured out, oh, it's the little USB thing that is corrupted or something. It got burned up, or it went, I don't know what happened, but we got it fixed. We got it fixed, and we are full steam ahead today. Full steam ahead. All right, market, is this where we rip back up? Okay, I am on right now. I am going to be trading my funded futures. Whoops. Or I will trade what am I going to trade this morning? Hang on, I need to do some, let me look at something. Is my funded futures, am I on the same trade day on all of my accounts? So I'm on I'm on day number, this would be day number 2. I don't know why I'm so OCD with that type of stuff, but man, my OCD levels are so insane when it comes to like some of this stuff. It actually has cost me money, like legitimately. I've legitimately lost money because of my OCD. How many trade days do I have on? Okay, so I have 2 days. Okay, you know what? Actually, I don't need to trade. If I stop trading my funded futures today, then all 3 of these accounts have 2 traded days, and we have all of them at the same balance. And then going forward, we copy trade all 3 of them together, and we will get to payouts all at the same time. So I'm not going to trade. All right, so that means we're going to trade. This Tradeify Live account is the one where we are going to be trading today. So buckle up, folks. Gonna get crazy in here today. Now, again, when I'm trading this Tradeify Live account, this is going to be more of intuition trades. Might not be my, like, I'm trading this account to, I don't know. It's definitely not going to be, I'm going to take more intuition trades. My Apex accounts, I'm only going to take kind of I'm going to wait for that perfect, not perfect, but I know what I'm looking for. That slow grind higher with nice pullbacks. That's what I'm waiting for and looking for. Honestly, like this kind of price action, but I don't really trade those on the overnight session. Maybe I should. Anyway, don't be crazy with that. Means we're going to be trading minis. We are going to be trading minis on this account. We all know things can go very wrong very quickly. But hey, the worst that can happen, the absolute worst that can happen is we lose money. No animals will be harmed, no people will be harmed. At least I don't think so. Let's hope not. Guess we can't guarantee anything. But this is, I'm just going to wait. I am going to wait until we see this thing really make a move. Also, so trade day, I'm sure you guys saw, but yeah, I'm pretty interested in trade day. Trade Day now has, yeah, Trade Day now has, you can have 3 accounts and they have Tradeify. Oh man, this is starting to look interesting. And I didn't catch this right here. The entry would be above the break of the 535s here. I don't want to chase it. This thing might rip here. This thing could just rip right here. Hey, Design Knob. Sorry, I didn't see you. I didn't see you, Design Knob. How we doing? Happy June 3rd. Wait. Look at this closed. I closed down for the day already. 3 trades and done. Let's go, Matty Matt. Let's go, Matty Matt. Keep it up. Lock it down, man. This thing is just ripping now. Yikes. You hate to see it. Are we going to make new highs? I hate chasing. I hate chasing this. I should have been in at the 536s here. But I was not paying attention. I do think it takes out the highs. Yeah, I do think it does. Hey, good morning, Peter. The Candle Whisperer, Movie Spot, good morning. What's the full news from Trade Day that you can have 3 accounts? Yeah, basically you can have 3 accounts now, and it's a Tradeivate connection. So for me, that's a pretty big deal because I can add a Tradeivate connection now, and I don't know. Before, when they only had 1 account, and then you have, I mean, it's still 7 days to pass an eval with a 30% consistency rule. So you're going to have to take it slower, but with 3 accounts, I do feel like it's worth it. Probably going to give him a try. Probably going to try him out. And then we got Take Profit Trader as well. So we can add Take Profit Trader 5 accounts plus 3 Trade Day accounts. I want to be careful though. I feel like if you get too many accounts, it can be a little bit of a distraction. But now that I'm trading all of my Apex accounts together, I feel like I can actually add a little bit more accounts without that big of an issue. But we shall see. All right, are we going to break the highs here? I have a feeling this is going to break the highs, but we're going to wait and watch. Oh, yes, there is some news at 10 o'clock. Thank you, Timbo. Hey, good morning, G. What is the full news from Dan Future? Yes, SG, I already answered that. Dan Futures, good morning. Good morning, Tate. The activation fee with trade day. You know what? I need to double check that. I am not sure. I've not done that much research on it. I used to trade day way back when. Haven't traded them in quite some time. So I need to get familiar with them again and try them out, get a payout or two, see what happens. See if we can get a payout. All right, we're struggling to get above the 570s here. Struggling to get above the 570s and holding it. So let's see, are we going to pull back? All right, here we go. Maybe we rip it now. See if we rip it. Trying to get above the 580s. Can she do it? All right, there she goes, above the 580s. Let's test those highs. Test those highs, 590s. There she goes, new highs on the day, testing the 600s. Testing the 600s. Man, this is... We never did come test the VWAP. We never really came close to testing that. Fortunate. 15-minute opening range is in. Got the 15-minute opening range about 90 points, 80 points, 90 points. We do have news coming out at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock news. Actually, you know what? I got time. Why don't I look at what is trade days activation? Oh, general question. All right, getting the pullback now, back down to the 580s. You know, it would be crazy if we see a big V-shape move lower now. That would actually make me sad. Sad, but we have seen that the last couple days, so definitely need to be careful here. So, okay, so it looks like the activation fee is 139. 139 is activation fee. Okay, let's see. Are we going to continue lower? Hey, Captain Crunch. Good to see you, Captain Crunch. Hey, no problem. No problem, Captain Crunch. Hope you're doing well. Hey, Dr. Mike Trades. Take care. And thanks for stopping in. All right, let's see. I mean, I do not want to see us get below the 520s here. As long as we hold above VWAP, I feel like the longs are totally in play. But if we just drop, like we have, hopefully we don't. I don't want to. I'm not going to take a trade before 10. We have the news coming out in 8 minutes. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait until then. And then the withdrawal accounts. So you need to get to the buffer. Yeah, they're very similar to take profit actually. All right, let's see. See if we just go make new highs. Hey, good morning, Sharoos. You were on vacation. I was wondering where you went. We missed you, Sharoos. Good to have you back. Hopefully vacation was great. That's awesome. Hey, Grant Thompson Trades, I need some feedback. I have 13 losing trades in a row. Oh, sometimes, yeah, Grant, maybe just take a breather. I've found the best way is sometimes to just like, even if you take a 1 or 2 day break, but take a break without looking at any charts or anything. Like take a complete break from looking at any charts. I don't know. Sometimes that helps. It kind of gives you like a cleansing, gives you like a fresh perspective. I don't know. Sometimes that's what it takes to get out of a trading funk. But that's not fun. I have 5 Tradify accounts on day 6 and flipping the last 4 days with a balance of 35.60. Looking forward to the payout. Let's go, prop firm for keeps. Let's go. That's awesome. I really wish I had utilized their 5 accounts instead of only 3. I'm still regret that. All right, are we going to make new highs here? Are we going to make new highs? Feel like we will. Yes, 4 minutes. Thank you. News in 4 minutes, fellas. Be careful. This news in 4 minutes, it will move the market, so be careful. I don't know if you saw my earlier comment make a point to say thank you for following up with me over the weekend. Yeah, I saw it, Captain Crunch, and you're welcome. Not a problem. Hopefully, it was helpful. Just passed 1 Tradify eval and 2 Apex eval on this move up. Let's go, DVO. That's awesome. Love to see it. All right, market. We're just waiting here for the news. Waiting for the news. And we finally are having some really nice weather here in Ohio. Oh, it's so good to see. Good to see the sunshine. Played golf yesterday. That was a lot of fun. I had a really enjoyable round. I don't know why, like sometimes I go I was actually playing around and there was a group of like 5 teams of 4 in front of us and it was pretty slow. And I was just by myself and ended up someone else was waiting as well, so I just ended up playing with this random guy and he had just graduated high school and he was really good. He was a really good golfer. Played golf all through high school and it was I don't know, it was a lot of fun just playing with. It's always more fun playing with someone else that is better than you are. And he's like a 2 handicap. And he was good. He was good. He was a left-handed. He was left-handed as well and it makes me play better. It was a lot of fun. Lots of fun. I ended up shooting 8 over, I think, on 18 holes, playing from the tips. A lot of fun. It's just a beautiful, not much wind, 75 degrees and sunny. You love to see it. Hey, you got the QI10 driver LS in the bag now? Ooh, nice. That's a pretty nice flex there, Matty Matt. You got your 3rd tournament on Sunday. 2 weeks ago, I came 2nd. Wow, let's go, Matty Matt. That's awesome. Honestly, in golf, it's more about if you're having fun than like playing golf. For me anyway, if I shoot like 9 over or like 6 to 9 over, like I had a good round. Like that's a fun round for me. It's not like playing great. I've played better, but sometimes when you're playing like when I have a round going in the front 9, I'm like even, you know, I have a chance to break my best score. Cuz then you get really nervous, you know. But that's, I mean, it's I don't know. I've got an itch to go golfing again today. Like it was so fun yesterday. I want to go do it again today. But I don't think I will. I'm actually going to I'm going to my parents' house. Okay, news coming out, guys. News coming out in 20 seconds. Going to my parents tonight to help them with some work and help around the house tonight, so that'll be fun. All right, let's see what this news does. Oh, snapping it higher. Looks like we're going up, boys. Or are we? Gonna be a fake out? We are above the 600s. This is just looking very bullish. If I got his number, I actually didn't. I wish I would have actually. He just graduated high school and he's gonna be there a lot playing over the summer. Actually he's planning to work at the golf course, or he's gonna try to. And he of course asked me what I do for a living. Anymore. People ask me, "Hey, what do you do for work?" Oh, it's starting to be like, I just wish people wouldn't ask. It's so it's not like it's so weird. It's just weird because people ask you what you do for a living. Actually, type in the chat. I want to see. Someone ask, for those of you, like, if you don't trade full time, that's okay. Pretend like you're trading full time. What would you do? What would you do if someone asks you, what do you do for a living? How do you answer them? I'm actually curious. I'm an influencer. I mean, it's true, TK. I'm an influencer that trades for a living. That's an accurate description. Because I'm both. I trade, but I'm also an influencer. I want to hear what you guys would say, and then I'll tell you guys what I say. You guys have to go first. Tell them you read the Bible shirtless. Oh my, Cody, Cody. All right, let's see if we can break out up through the 620s. Fireworks and futures. I push buttons on computers. Bookkeeper, finance or OnlyFans. I'm a talk show host. I sell courses. Well, that wouldn't be true. I buy and sell candles. That's a good one, Lo-Fi Studios. I buy and sell candles. I kind of like that. I kind of like it. That's pretty good. Just look at the charts all day and risk management for a small company. I hedge my stock portfolio. I duck I duck race for a living. Very funny. Ben and Rose tour manager. That's funny. But do you make more as an affiliate? Yes, I do. I work in private equity management. I'm in the candles industry. That I kind of like. That's kind of funny. uh Oh, where does most of my money come from? I mean, it's not like extremely staggered, but yeah, I do make, like, I mean, I guess it would depend, you know. I had a month in March where I made 50,000 trading, you know, then that would be different, but if I look at it overall on average throughout the year, then, you know, most of the time I would make more on as an influencer if you combine all the different, I guess, deals or whatever that you have. I get paid when people blow up accounts. Well, that's kind of an inaccurate statement. I don't get paid nothing when you blow up accounts. I get exactly $0 for that. I only get paid when you use my code, which means you bought a new account. If we want to be accurate, I guess. If you want to be actually, that's the truth. I'm a professional amateur VR golfer. I'm still playing my 2013 Rocket Blades. Oh, really? See, the Rocket Blades are actually legitimately good irons. Those are actually solid irons, and I used to have them. I used to play with those. My brother thinks I should get the P790s, but I think I still need the game improvement. Honestly, and I always tell people, like, it's not going to make that big a difference, especially in your eye. Like, going from Rocket Blades to the P790s. I That's not going to make that big of a difference. It really doesn't. I'm a yard maintenance man. Don't tell them you're an airline pilot. Yeah, that would definitely be false. Okay, we are just grinding higher now. I mean, I'm starting to feel comfortable with longs here. We just need to get some really nice pullbacks, wait for the entry, and pull the trigger. Pull that trigger. I've been out a bit. What was the final word with the Apex email, Sammy Rogers? I mean, it's to be determined yet, but basically, there were two different emails. One of them was that you could be getting considered for a live account. The other one was they want to see what and how you trade. I mean, hey, that's basically it. Like I said, I mean, my stance is kind of like, hey, if you don't want to do those things, hey, no one can force you. You can walk away. I'm not going to. I mean, especially if you have a PA accounts with a balance in them, then I mean, I would highly recommend that, send them what they need and asking for and get those payouts and then if you want to move on, do it, but don't give them the satisfaction of just walking away in the middle of I don't know. But to each their own. Everyone's situation is different. Okay, wow. Getting a bigger pullback now. This is concerning. This is concerning. What is going on? Wow. And that is what I did not want to see. What is going on? Nothing like a 70-point pullback. Gotta love it. My boss is from O'Connor and Company. Took me golfing at Pinehurst. Oh, are you serious, John? I'm actually jealous. Okay, guys, I need your guys' opinion. I need you guys to tell me something. Would it be selfish or I'm trying to I'm kind of so our 15-year anniversary is coming up this fall. And part of me, I want to go to Pebble Beach for our anniversary. I mean, obviously we would not only golf, but golfing would be a big part of the trip. But I feel like I don't know, maybe I'm not sure. I'm not sure that's a good anniversary thing to do. Did you see what Rory shot in 9-hole practice at Oakmont? I did not, Matty Matt. What did he shoot? That was the year I blew out all my golf balls, had the witch by the 9th and quit golfing. Honestly, Pinehurst is one of those courses that would actually make you want to stop golfing probably. Like their greens are so difficult, it's crazy. That has got to be some of the hardest course to play at. Especially for an amateur that it's so difficult to keep that ball on the green. I would get the wife to caddy. I mean, obviously our whole family would go together at Pinehurst, and I mean, I don't know. I'm not sure yet what we are going to do. I'm not sure. It's close to the Redwoods. Take her and cruise the Pacific. Yeah, I would get like an Airbnb. We get probably do like some kind of, oh dear. I'm gonna take this. Oh geez, I don't want to have this big of a stop though. Ah, this is so nerve-wracking with some of this. I want to probably take one off here pretty directly if we get a move. Come on, pump it. There we go. Go, baby. Go, baby. All right, I'm gonna see if we can't get a runner going. Give me one nice big green candle here. It would be so great. Pump it, baby. That was the 90s. Know what they spent on me back then? Yep, we our 15-year anniversary is coming up this fall. You know, I love it. I would not want to do life with anyone else. Oh no, don't. So hard to be patient when the size is so big. Or the size is bigger than you're used to. I'm gonna just take this. No need to get greedy. A little worried about how big of a pullback this was. A little worrisome. That was the 90. Wait on reply from Apex and used MBT code for new TPT account while I wait. Does take profit trader usually take more than 24 hours to open an eval? It does depend, Captain Crunch. Was it Tradeovate or Rhythmic? If it's Tradeovate, it's usually pretty instant. If it's Rhythmic, it can take some time. It's like buying her a vacuum cleaner for her birthday. No, it is not. It's not that bad. Come on, man. Come on. Give me more credit than that. Okay, so if it's Tradeovate, I mean, usually the Tradeovate account creations are pretty fast, but I know they're experiencing a lot of volume, and I don't know. So I haven't, it's been a little bit since I've opened an account there, so I'm not 100% sure. All right, market, what's the plan here? We ripping or not? Definitely feels like we are going higher. Should have probably held, but oh well. Alright, I want to see if we make new highs, but so far this is looking like we're going to make new highs. But if we fail to make new highs here, then we have ourselves a problem. If you go to Pebble Beach, you can take your wife to Carmel by the Sea. It is beautiful. I'm heading to Pebble Beach this morning for work. Oh wow, really? That's awesome, prop firm for keeps. That's awesome. Buy yourself a flight simulator for her birthday. Hey, good morning, Carolina. Good morning. How you doing? Hey, Jose. Good morning. We are chilling. I contacted customer service and they said it was some error, so they asked me to cancel the account and they would refund. Oh man. Yeah, I hope they can get things resolved timely fashion. That sounds like, yeah, I was researching as well, like things that we could do. Oh man. Ooh. All right. Looks like we want to make new highs. Like what I'm seeing. We're just going to be patient now, wait to buy the dips. I do want to see this thing make new highs though. And then on the daily, I mean, once we really could retest the 850s up here, we really could. Hey, good morning, Rosie Rose. Take her to a nice Airbnb with a large horse farm. Hmm. Did you hear PW is going to have Connie Lingus on his stream? I don't even know who that is. Who is that? Design knob. Design knob just throwing John under the bus. Love to see it. uh, all John's fault. It's all John's fault. Come on, market. We actually, John says I'm out. John is lawyered up and Peter's his counsel. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're in big trouble, John. It might be time to change your name. Wait, trader on tilt just, what did I do? Gonna have lingus. Trader on tilt. I must have missed something. You know what? You know what? I'm not going to say that again. You guys are very funny. You're very funny, chat. Very funny. Guys need help. You guys need some help. Guys are weird. Okay. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Never mind. I'm not gonna do that. Oh man. Poor Dodgy. Poor Dodgy. He just keeps catching strays on Twitter. The guy just keeps getting wrecked. Uh-oh, John's got a link in the chat. Be very, very careful, guys. Very careful. Be very careful with the link clicking, guys. That's all I'm going to say. I knew it was going to be that, and I still clicked on it. You know what? You know what? You know what's time? You know what time it is? You know what time it is? Feel like it's time. It's time, fellas. That's right. You brought it on yourself. Yes, Anthony, it's still worth trading the account. It's fine. You can request. If you get denied, you just trade it. Continue trading it, and you'll be fine. And I might take a trade.
Order filled.
I just got you guys. I got you guys on the order field, didn't I? I got him. I got him. That's what you guys get. If you guys get unruly in the chat, just so you guys know, if you start getting unruly in the chat, I'm just going to play some Ben and Rose. Calm everybody down. It's going to make everybody, you know. Group hug. Everybody group hug. Recklaw, I did. He made you jump to your trade copier. Let's go. All right, we had a quick scalp there for $200. We'll take it. Guys, I don't want to say anything. I don't want to say anything at all. But if you look at my two Tradeify Live accounts, and if you add them together, I think for the first time, it might be the first time since I've had these accounts, we are actually above my initial starting balance of 18,000. Wah, wah. Let's go. But right now, I'm just waiting. I mean, we're kind of putting in a little bit of a, call it a base. We're putting in a base right here at the 600s, 605s. I'm going to keep buying if we get there. We're just going to play the range, and maybe we can get a nice breakout with it. Maybe. Oh. All right, for my ignorance. What is up with the purple crown next to people? Well, you know, I actually keep meaning to remove that because it's some kind of, I don't even know exactly what is involved with it, but it's some kind of chat XP. So what it means exactly, I don't really know. How you get points, I don't really know. So, yeah, I don't know. Oh, Mr. Wall Street. You know what, Mr. Wall Street? I feel like hang on. Mr. Wall Street. Hang on. Hang on. Uh-oh. Somebody's gonna have to sit in the corner. Hey, Recklaw, thanks for the $2. Let's go. Somebody had to sit in the corner a little bit. Somebody was a naughty boy. You hate to see it. I have many, you have many accounts with a zero. Let's blow some. Zero cool, I need you to calm down. Time to get the crown. Don't do it, crypto calls. Don't be spamming. Don't make me do it. Oh, here we go again, boys. We got an opportunity potential here. Everybody chill. Oh, oh, uh-oh, he's back. Don't do it. Don't do it, man. Somebody is being naughty. Oh, dear. Hmm. Okay, Mr. Wall Street. All right, market. Man. Right, let's see. Can we keep up this range or not? Is he gonna fake me? Fake me out. Don't do it. Hmm. Might have to kill this one. Uh-oh. Got. All right, are we gonna go lower, really? That's unfortunate. How far does MFF expert account trail? So if I'm at 52.1, do I lose the account if I hit 52? Joking. I think it's 50,100. 50,100. Zero cool. Ah, it's all right. It's all right. Trader on tilt. Stop it. Stop it. It is a little bit concerning that we can't make new highs, but as long as we stay above the 560s, then I think we're okay looking for longs, but I take another stab here. Where's my ATM strat? Why does my ATM not show up? Gonna get wrecked on this or rip. Don't do me like this. Come on. Uh-oh. Come on, market. Gonna do this today? Gonna do this or not? We're doing this. We're doing this. I think it's gonna wick lower, and now it's gonna rip. So we're gonna be patient. Now rip it. Come on. Don't be a fake out here. Who is texting? Calm down. Come on, we gotta go here. Don't like it. We don't pop here. We gotta kill this, I think. Gotta go. Gotta pop it. Go, baby. Don't be difficult. It's starting to frustrate me. Now go. Go. All right, I'm going to take it. Even though I think anyway, we'll take it. Regarding 10-minute delay data, they updated my market status. Am now ready to trade. Took them 10 minutes to address my question. Okay, miss. That's good to know. That's good to know. Okay, trader. Give me a D. Give me a... I was very close to DCAing here. We would have had a difficult decision. Right here at the 575s, I was going to have to make a decision on DCAing or not. It would have been a... It would have gotten kind of ugly if I would have. And it kept going lower, but hey. Oh yeah, by the so what did I tell my golf, like what do I tell people when they ask me what I do? Usually I tell them I do trading / investing is what I tell people. But then some people, like, you get two different reactions. Two different reactions when you tell them that you do trading investing. The one reaction is they look at you like you just made some kind of weird noise, and they kind of look at you like a dog looks at a high-pitched sound. It's like, huh? You know, kind of like that, a little bit like, what? You know, and then they're like, well, and then, so if you do that, and then sometimes they don't ask any more questions after that, which I'm okay with. You know, they're probably thinking a lot of things, which I'm okay with. I don't mind. If they think I'm crazy, that's fine. I probably am crazy, and that's fair. But then sometimes, you know, they want to know more. So then they're like, oh, well, how does that work? You know, do you do it for other people? You know, Do you invest for other people as well? And they want to know a lot more about it. They're actually interested in doing it. Well, then if you start to go down the rabbit hole of trying to explain like how it works and how the prop firms work, and you know, I tell very little people that I have a YouTube channel and then that I'm also an influencer. I don't tell a lot of people that, because it's just kind of weird. Like but I know people know, and I don't know. Especially in this community, it makes its rounds, and all of a sudden everybody's talking. It's like, yeah, did you hear what Nutty does? Yeah, he's on YouTube. He's kind of weird. Like, that's fair. I am weird. I won't even deny it. Straight up weird. I dislike the term influencer. You much prefer a talk show host. It's actually kind of true. I am kind of a talk show host. I do a lot of yapping. Do they call me nutty? No. I just said that, but no, they don't call me nutty. You're not weird. Didi is weird. The term influencer is cringe. Yeah, it is kind of. It has kind of a bad it doesn't have a great reference, I guess, whatever. Bad reputation on it, I guess. We're here for your yapping, not your trading. That is good to hear. That is actually not an insult, that's a compliment. Because I'm here to yap. I'm here to yap, and then I take trades every now and then. That's kind of how it seems sometimes. Then every now and then we go on tilt. Good times, good times. His real name is Ben. Wear a shirt with my YouTube channel on it. Yeah, Dean Bishop, funny story. Funny story. I was wearing this shirt. This is the only limited edition, the only t-shirt like this. And I wore this shirt for streaming one day. Didn't really, whatever. Stop calling me. And then I went to town, and I didn't change. I didn't really even think about it. I didn't even think about what I was wearing. I just went to town, and I went to Walmart, and I saw someone at Walmart that I know very well, and not and all of a sudden I realized that they're looking at my shirt, and they're like I got busted hard. Got busted. Like, wait, you have a YouTube channel? I'm like, oh dear. Hey, good morning, Linda. How's it going? All right, market. Does feel like this thing wants to. I don't like how we failed to make new highs here. I don't like this. But I do feel like I still feel like we're in an uptrend, but I do not want to buy breakouts. I want to buy basically right here at this opening range high is where I'm going to kind of look to buy. As long as that holds, I feel pretty good about longs. And I think it's just a matter of time until we break to the upside, but they'll wait and see. Let's see if we rip here. And there she goes, 620s. I need one more $50 day to get a payout on Apex. Should I secure or try to build more of a buffer? I can take max payout right now, but only by like $100. Joking? Lock it in. Okay, lock it in, man. That would be my suggestion. So woke up today to 2 different Instagram accounts plus my Facebook account deactivated for violating guidelines. Why? Uh-oh. What did you do, Orlando? Were you a bad boy? Have you considered putting a Nutty Bar wrap on your car and make your vehicle a marketing write-off? See, the tax write-off for that is not worth my. You know how much crap I would get in this. You know how much crap I would get where I live if I would wrap my car in Nutty Bar Trading logos? Oh my word. Like, seriously, that's not worth it. I just can't do it. I get enough questions the way it is that I do not need. I just don't need. No, I'm fine with what the way it is. I just put my discount code on it. Hey, I put my discount code on my golf ball. That's as far as I'll probably go. Can you imagine? I mean, you guys don't understand. Like, where I live at is the rumors spread like wildfire, and I just don't have any desire to do that. But it would be kind of funny. It would be kind of funny. Wrap my car in Nutty Bar Trading and then across the back, best code ever, NBT. Oh, that's going too far. That is just going way too far. The golf ball was real. Yes. Custom made golf ball with the logo NBT. I mean, nobody knows what it means but me. But, you know, that way I have my own marked golf ball and I don't have to ever worry that, you know, everybody will know that's mine. Does my neighbor know I'm a trader? They did. No. I'm sure they think. I'm sure my neighbors have their own thoughts. I guess my one neighbor knows. My one neighbor does know. But my other neighbors, they have no clue. But I guarantee you they have their thoughts. They probably think I'm a drug dealer. You know, they're probably like, yeah, this guy, he doesn't work. He never goes to work. The guy is mowing his lawn in the middle of the day. The guy is always at home. The guy goes golfing every, other day. They probably think I'm like a drug dealer or something. I'm sure they have their own thoughts, but they don't they don't say anything. And then they just don't like, they probably don't. Like, I can tell my one neighbor, like, that lives, like, behind us. You can just tell, I can tell he's not a big fan. He's not a big fan of my lawn because it puts a lot of pressure on him. And the reason I know this is his wife, my neighbor, once I was mowing lawn one time, and his wife comes out of the house, flags me down while I'm mowing the lawn. And she goes, and she goes, hey, so on and so forth. She's like, how do you get your lawn to be like this? How do you get your lawn to have such nice stripes? He's like, how do you do that? And I can tell, I'm like, oh dear, he's going to be getting the full 90 degrees. You know, it's happening, right? You know that evening at the dinner table, she's like, well, Charles, so, we need to get a new mower. We need to have, did you see that? Do you see this guy's lawn? And he's immediately got me marked as a problem. I'm a problem child. Anyway, funny story. Literally about 2-3 weeks after I talked to her, they bought a new lawnmower. They bought the same mower. And I thought to myself, I'm like, you know what? I should have had a discount code for the lawn mowing place. I definitely referenced. I definitely guided them there. Oh man. Okay, we did make, oh, well, I guess we didn't officially make new highs yet. Um, yeah, it's a yikes. I felt bad for the guy, and he doesn't really talk to me. Like the neighbor, he's like, yeah, this guy, I'm sure he's not a big fan. I feel bad for him. I'm like, hey, I like my lawn. It's fine. You don't have to like yours. Oh, but anyway, it is what it is. I'm a try-hard lawn enthusiast. Hey, how we doing, Josh? Hey, there she goes. There she goes. New highs. And why did I not hold this? This would have been such a nice, of course. You know, it's always hard to hold a trade. What a trade that you are in drawdown is so much harder to hold than a trade that just immediately goes into profit. Once you're like what was I, $400 in drawdown? You know, $400 in drawdown, and actually it was closer to 500. Yeah, 400 something. It's just harder to just hard. It's hard to hold those trades once you're in drawdown. It's like, whew, you finally escaped. Now I just want to get out while I can. Yeah, that was a really nice, that's a nice trade. So now we are new highs. Let's just wait for that slow grind higher. We are entering that slow grind higher territory. What we want to see, we will jump on it. The bull flag worked? Yes, it did. You're the only streamer who talks about everything but trading. I do zero cool. That's what I mean. I'm a talk show host. I'm a talk show host that just trades sometimes. Sometimes I take trades, but the amount of percentage that I talk about trading is probably pretty. I do talk about trading, but we talk about whatever is basically whatever crosses our mind, which is a very, could be a very dangerous, could be dangerous. Yes, BPC trades. I did see that. I did see trade day allowing 3 accounts now, and I'm going to give him a try. I am definitely going to give him a try because they have trade of 8. Let's go. I'm actually not sure. I used to be an affiliate with them. I'm used to be an affiliate with them. I don't even know if I'm still affiliate with them. I don't even know. You know what? Let's see if I can. Hmm. I don't even think. I don't think I am. Maybe we'll see. All right, we are above the 640s. Now we need to get these. We need some cute little pullbacks. That's all we need. Hey, no, this gonna be the next host of Family Feud. Steve Harvey, Steve Harvey participating in Diddy parties. I hate to say this. I hate to say it, but I can kind of see I can kind of see Steve Harvey participating in some of that. That's yikes. That's a yikes. Oh man. Damn it. I need a bigger pullback than this. Come on, market. Come on down. It's not gonna do it. Might be entering that time where we just keep going higher. There's no. Yeah, there she goes. 650s. Unfortunate. This is a trading channel. I thought it was golf yard maintenance. Pretty much. Uh there are rumors about Steve Hart. I mean, I wouldn't be shocked. I shouldn't say. Why does a prop firm having Tradevate matter to me? So the reason that Tradevate is so important to me is because I use Ninja Trader and I can have and look at this thing go. That's so frustrating now. Okay, it's fine. But so I can have as many Tradevate connections as I want. I can only have one rhythmic connection, but then I can add as many Tradevate connections, which means then I can, it's just way easier for me to have all of my accounts in one platform. So, hey, Rec Law, take care. No trade so far for you today. Okay, PHC, that's fine. I don't really understand how it works. I just trade on the Tradevate page, but should I be using Ninja? Not necessarily. Matt's oh dear, I'm gonna butcher this name hard. Matt's Kotz. You know what? I'm gonna call you M. I'm gonna call you Matt's. Mm. Man, this is just ripping higher now. Ay, 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 ay. Man, oh man. It is only 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock, but we are doing the slow grind higher. Really wish I would have held this trade. This is one of those trades where just letting it run would be so fun. Hey, Red Poker in the building. Good to see you. Did you update NinjaTrader platform to the newer version that's just out? I did not. I have not, Mitch Marvin. What is the big difference? No QuantGart with Tradeovate. No. Nope. Do I have a rhythmic connection? And if so, have you had any problems with it? No. So my Apex accounts are all rhythmic connections. And then everything else will be a Tradeovate connection. Ugh. How much can you make with MF 50K after passing the 3K? So I always forget which one is, but one of the My Fun of Future plans, they don't have any consistency rule. So I believe it's the starter plus. No. Yes. So the starter plus plan with My Fun of Futures, they do not have a consistency rule on their funded accounts. All right, down, up we go. We're just going straight up through the 670s. This is where I just have to be patient. We just gotta wait. The pullback will come. The pullback will come. All right, it's trying to pull back. Oh, no black coffee. But you got it back? The Dow kept going lower. Yeah, the Dow and the NQ they don't always jibe it or go hand in high hand. Yeah, it looks like we're heading to the 690s. It does. Wait, Matty Matt, you can now get gold golf clubs. That's crazy. And platinum. Corey Trade should get platinum ones. It's true. It's true. You mentioned your indicators affordable. So this account dashboard is from Affordable Indicators. I believe it's called the account. I think it's called the account dashboard. I think. Okay, can we get a pullback? Come on, market. Give it to me. Give it to me. Get a nice pullback here. I will take it on these Apex accounts. Excuse me. Man, my throat is bothering me again today. All right. I want to have this a little closer here to the EMA, but see how this plays out. I'm going to try to hold this for the 700s. We are definitely entering the 11 o'clock hour, and we're in that summer slower price action. Market seems to be moving a lot slower. I don't mind. I don't mind as long as we don't have these. Just need to avoid the slow reversal. That the slow reversal play is what I need to protect against. That will not be a good time. On MFF, do you use expert or the other ones? So the one that I'm currently using, these accounts are the starter plus accounts. which I like. I like so far. I think the starter accounts are also fine. The starter accounts would be great for me as well, but right now I have the starter plus account. OCD handled one account below 500 and my other accounts were over 500. Took a quick scalp off that get over 500. I'm done for the day. Hey, nicely done, Citizen Zero. Do you know you have a position open? Yes, I do. I do know. All right, let's see if we get closer to this EMA. Let's see if we can and this is so concerning when we start to just like right now, we might see this again. We might just go sideways for an hour and then we break higher. It seems like if we do that a lot more recently. So as long as we stay above like the 630, 620 area, then I am okay. I'm gonna be okay with taking longs. All right, let's see. Maybe this is the one. All right, come on, rip it. Kind of wanted to rip, but I also kind of wanted to get closer to this EMA. You guys in chat. Target will make a small pullback and then push up UCLA trades. That is what I'm hoping. I did 3 expert evals today and passed 2 of 3, so I'm not sure if I'm going to trade them with light size or just max size 1. Yeah. Okay, now we're just kind of going sideways right now. No need to get out of this trade, though. I'm going to be chilling. I should use an ATM, though. I should, I guess, have an actual stop here. I'm going to look for the 700s. I'm going to try to get a move to the 700s. Anything below, I mean, right here, this This area here is kind of where I'm starting to have major concerns. Could just have my stop right here, I guess, but do that for now. Okay, can we break? Can we break here? Come on. See if we make new highs. Just rip it. Chris, I'm having issues with Take Profit Trader and Quant Tower. Oh, man. Okay, Chris, I assume you have a rhythmic connection. My personal experience, when I first switched over to try rhythmic with Take Profit Trader, I had a lot of issues. I'm not going to use rhythmic again with Take Profit Trader. It took like 4 days just to get my rhythmic activated, and it was frustrating. I don't know. I don't think they're really set up that great with rhythmic unless I was just an outlier. But that I did not have a great experience with rhythmic. I'm going to switch back to Trade of 8. Come on, market. Don't fail to make new highs here, please. It is where it's like, should I just take my profit here? Should I just take the profit, move on, look for the next trade? So difficult sometimes to know. Feel like if I do take my profit, we're guaranteed to break and make the move to the 790s. But if I do not, then it'll pull back again. Here we go. There we go. Rip it. Rip it. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Oh, that's such a beautiful sight. Don't stop. You know what? I'm just gonna take it. Why? There's no need to be greedy. There's no need to be greedy. We'll just take it. Take it and be happy. Can you explain the best way to resolve the 30% negative P&L on Apex, Jamco? Yeah, basically, if you do go into 30% drawdown, I mean, if it was only for an instance, it's like a 50-50 chance that you might get approved, but you might also not. But basically, request your payout anyway, and then you're probably going to get denied, but then just keep trading 8 more days. I would suggest make similar profits. Don't just try to flip $50 days, because I do think they're going to crack down on that. But you won't lose your profits, and then just, request again, and you're good to go. Yes, I do trade one mini or 2 minis on my Tradeify. On my Tradeify live accounts, we trade 1 to 2 minis. It is a lot more fun when you have profits. I will say, trading minis is pretty nice when you have green trades. It's not so nice when the trade goes against you. Not that pleasant of an experience when the trade rips against you, but it is what it is. I tried, like, trading minis. I try to just imagine if it was a micro to keep me in the trade or not, where I'm like, okay, if this was micros, I would not get out of this trade, or would I? Like, it actually kind of helps me know, try to stay in the trade. 30% drawdown is only intraday. I mean, it's your live, yes. It is your live P&L, not your closed P&L. Yes, per trade. This trade, if I have a tick/time rule, Cly, I do think they do. I think at least you can't have your profits. You can't have 50% of your profits be on trades that are being held less than 5 seconds, I believe it is. I should double check that probably. You used to trade weekly options. Old habits die hard. Yeah, Captain Crunch. That's where it's important, especially if you're trading minis. You can go 750 in drawdown very quickly. So it's very risky. It's very risky to trade that way. But hey, some people do it and can get away with it, but it's definitely risky. Where you've got the session highs, lows, and everything in between, is that an indicator? Kev Rhodes, it is. It's the initial balance indicator from affordable, or not, from Trade Devil indicators. Trade Devil indicators, I think I have a link in the description for it. Design Knob is offering his coaching services. Micros only on the $2,500 accounts, or you will fail more than win. Yeah, I do agree. Even if you trade minis on a 50K account, I mean, it's just amazing how quickly you can lose $2,000. I mean, I'm speaking from experience from trading my Tradify accounts with minis. Like, it is crazy how fast you can be $1,000 in drawdown, and it seems like the market barely moved against you. So that's where you just gotta be careful. All right, we are stalling a little bit here at the 680s. Man, one of the things, and I'm going to talk about this a little bit because this is one of my fears of trading my Apex accounts all together. And I do want to be patient, but one of my problems is actually not taking a good setup. And this actually should have been, I mean, I was hoping we would pull back a little bit more closer to the EMA, but in reality, like, I probably should have taken this trade. Obviously in hindsight, it's 2020, but in reality, that actually was a good setup. I get a little more nervous, I'm not gonna lie. Copy trading 14 accounts gets, I gotta get over it though. We gotta push through it. We gotta take the trades, put in our stop loss, and then whatever happens, happens. Can't hindsight it. We can't be too hard on ourselves. As long as we take a good setup, then I can't be hard on myself. That's the key. I can't. I just gotta take the good setups, and then whatever happens, happens. But it is definitely a little bit more mental. A little more mental copy trading 14 accounts. That's one part that I'm a little bit worried about. But I'm gonna give myself some grace and give myself some time to get used to it. I just feel numb to all my other accounts when I have them. Oh, really? Yeah. I was $200 away from getting a payout on 2 accounts Friday. Had a losing trade on MNQ, switched to NQ to try to make it back quickly, and 2 minutes later, both accounts were blown negative $2,000. Exactly, with a vision. I mean, thanks for sharing that. And it's so true. Like, It's so true, and it can happen so quickly, and you have, you start out with good intentions, and you never. It's just why, it's why I wouldn't copy trade all 14 accounts if I wouldn't be using Quant Guard. I wouldn't do it because, like, I know I have the ability to literally do that exact same thing, and that's the only reason that I feel okay not is because that actually will prevent me from doing that. All right, well, I'm going to take this again. Get me in, boy. Get me in, sonny boy. Need to start using my ATM here every time. Are we going to test the EMA here? Hey, DC fan, how we doing? What copy trading platform do I use? I do use Replicanto, and there is a one-time fee for it. I think it's like, and I forget how much it is, like 200, 220, something like that. Yeah, yep. 2 weeks ago, I was like, okay, I'll just scalp a mini so I can get my $200 and be done. And blew my account in 3 minutes. Oh, ugh. Makes me want to shiver. Oh, I hate when that happens. I don't think there's a more frustrating. I don't think there's a more frustrating way to trade than when you're on the last day. You're like on day number 8. You need $100 more, and then you can request a payout. Everything you've worked for so hard is so close. Oh, everything is finally coming together, and you have to take that one more trade, and then it just completely falls apart. I don't think there's a worse feeling in this industry. That is so brutal. It is brutal. And it's so easy to happen too. Feels like it just sometimes feels like it's inevitable. But not a good time. All right, market. I do need you to give me a boost here. Let's see if we can get a rip going. Hey Samir, how we doing? Is there a limit on how many accounts you can copy trade with Replicanto? I don't think so, Samir. I don't think so. But I've never tried. The most I've ever copy traded was 35. I've never tried to do more than that, but I mean, the more you copy trade, there's obviously the bigger the chances are that you're going to have issues. So, be smart about it. And this price action this is where, and it just seems so sluggish and slow. Hey, Yogi Bark in the house. How we doing? Don't forget 690. If we are to see a bigger pullback, that might be the place. Yeah, I wouldn't. Hoping we don't see the bigger pullback here. It's starting to worry me a little bit. Really don't want to. And I really need to be aware and just can't be catching a waterfall here. You're thinking about getting Replicanto, currently using NinjaTrader UP copy trading 24 accounts. Took my profit and it only closed out half my position. Ooh, yikes. I've not really had issues with Replicanto. NinjaTrader, on the other hand, it will do like these ghost orders where you close your positions and it looks like you still have open positions, but you actually don't. Then you just have to place an order above or below price, and then it will cancel the ghost orders. So that's more of a NinjaTrader issue than a copy trader issue. Can you use Tradeovate for Replicanto finally funded? Yes, you can. Basically, any account that you get connected to NinjaTrader will work. You can copy trade it. So you can connect Tradeovate to NinjaTrader as many accounts as you want. And you can also have one rhythmic connection at the same time, and then you can copy trade all your accounts together. For example, I have these Apex accounts are rhythmic accounts. These 3 My Funded Futures are Tradeovate accounts, and these are Tradeovate accounts. If I wanted to, I could copy trade all of them together. Okay, yeah, DC Tree. Hey, Pine Tree Trader, good to see you. How we doing? Rip it. It's starting to worry me a little bit. This is starting to worry me a little bit. We keep doing these fake breakouts. I don't like that at all. I am not a huge fan. Need one of them big green candles. Get in here. Hey, no problem. Finally funded. It's slow grinding up. That's all I want. I just want slow grinding higher. Is it easier to connect to Tradeovate? I mean, it's very easy. You literally go here to connections. Go here in NinjaTrader and you scroll down to NinjaTrader and you double click and you add your Tradeovate credentials right here. And it's literally as easy as that. My new payout is under review, but my previous approved payout I didn't receive. When was it approved? The one that you haven't received, freelance trader. Can you trade multiple prop firms on Replicanto at the same time? Yes, you can, Samir. Yes, you can. Freelance trader, yeah, let me know, when did it get approved? Okay, here we go. Come on, market. Now rip it. Give it to daddy. Come on. Can do it. You can do it. This has to go and make new highs here. On this move higher. My wife scared me. Oh, we're back. Are you kidding me, market? Are you kidding me? I am very disappointed. I might need to just get out of this one. Do we DCA here or no? Do we DCA? Apex approved my payout, but I didn't receive any money yet, and it's been more than 10 days. That sounds like a problem. Did you submit your payout information? Are you international or are you domestic? Can you do ACH? Okay, maybe. Go, baby, go. Come on now. Don't you fake, please, let's not do the hope and nope strategy. Don't do it. We cannot handle the hope and nope strategy today. Not today. Not today. Keep going. Bad girl. Bad girl. Go higher. You crash. Should I DCA? Oh, full-time trading. I should never, ever ask chat if I should DCA. Because I always know what the answer will be, and we all know, like, we all know. We know. Okay, market. We need this to go right here. Come on. Just go. Seriously having thoughts about killing this trade. Go. You should DCA like Stock Tiger, the human algo. The mirror. Mo, where's Mo? I wanted to answer. Freelance trader. I submitted all my bank account information. Double check it, make sure all your information was correct. But you can send me an email, Mo. You can send me an email. I'll try to help you out, but I would, if it's more than 10 days, I would definitely submit a ticket. I would submit a ticket and just ask for clarity on the situation. And then if you don't hear anything back in a couple days, let me know and I can try to help as well. But the correct thing to do is to, hey, go, baby. Oh, please don't. Please keep going. Give me new highs. Come on. Give it to me. Give me new highs. Come on. Oh, please do not do the hope and nope. I should have DCA'd. I should have. I'd be a millionaire if I would have DCA'd. Or at least very close. I would be closer to a millionaire than I am now. Let's put it that way. Okay, market. Ugh. Almost want to just take it off. I just take it off. I don't feel justified to sit through this much pain just to take it, small win. We need this thing to make new highs. Come on. Just do it. There you go. Go, baby. Come on, give it to me. Give me the 690s. I will take profit at the 690s. Come on. Every time I get excited. Every time. Never fails. Every time I get excited, it pulls back. It's like the market hears me and it's like, yeah, Nutty's yelling again. Go ahead and reverse it. Have I taken any payouts from my live accounts? No, I have not. I have not. Market, we are actually going to have a problem here if you don't go higher. For real. Like, I'm not joking. It's not a laughing matter. Yeah, freelance trader, let me know. Freelance trader, let me know. And yeah, I would submit a support ticket. I've seen it multiple times. I've probably seen 3 or 4 different times where people fill out the incorrect bank information and then the payouts don't go through. So yeah, just reach out to them, double check your information. But yeah, if you don't hear anything back in a couple days, let me know and I can try to help as well. Not going to say anything. Not going to say it. Oh, Captain Crunch, that's frustrating. Are we kidding? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Got to be kidding me. Not. This market is giving me a migraine headache. Yeah, sorry, Yogi Bark. Too soon yet. Too soon. Now just go higher. Do it. If we don't make new highs on this candle, if we don't, on the next candle, I mean, if we don't make new highs on the next candle, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I might DCA and I might close the position. Not sure. But I'm not going to be happy about it. I can guarantee you that. Gotta be kidding me. Molance email address. So freelance, you do have to submit a support ticket first. I can't help you until you at least submit a support ticket. Allow them at least 2 to 4 days of time to respond before I can do anything. I am extremely disappointed right now. Like massively disappointed. I don't even know what I want to do here. Have got to be kidding me. The garbage. I should have just taken profit, I guess. And oh man, market, I tell you sometimes. Ah. Yeah, and yep. If I traded the PAs today, no, I have not. Nope. Man, I just don't like this one bit. It's like I could DCA here, but I don't like what I'm seeing. I really don't. Maybe. Now go! Please! Please? Pretty please? Oh, come on. Just rip it, would you? I'm out. I give up. I give up. You win, market. You win. You win. You win this round. I've seen it too many. It's going to do the little fake out and then it's going to go lower. Just watch. Guaranteed. This is the hope and nope strat. This is the hope and nope strat. I've seen it too many times. This makes new highs now. If this makes new highs now, this is going to cause issues. Just saying. This is going to cause issues. Like real issues. Like legitimate issues. Okay, you have already submitted a support ticket. Hang on. I did not realize that. Hang on, I'll share my. When did you submit your support ticket? But you can go ahead and email me, Mo, and I'll ask for the information that I need. I do not want to talk about this. If this goes to new highs, this is gonna ruin. This is gonna make some serious issues. Yeah, Anthony Amp. It's happened. I've probably seen it 5 different times at least. I've seen it 5 plus times where people have put in the wrong information on their banking information, and that's why. Because if you get approved on your payout and then it's marked paid, like 9 times out of 10, I mean, you will get the money. That's not. And if you're not getting the money within 10 days, then it just something somewhere isn't right. We just need to find out what it is. Are we actually serious right now? Son of a. Why not 10 times out of 10? I mean, it's technically is so far 10 times out of 10. 100%. Oh, this is actually hard to watch. Gotta be kidding me. We do have a pivot point right at the 700s as well. Man, this is you guys should have told me. You guys should have told me to DCA. I blame this on you guys. You guys should have told me to DCA. Definitely your guys' fault. Oh, I see, Shrews. That's good to know. Ah. Man. Man, oh man. I'm very sad. I'm sad that I did not hold that. I haven't seen the buy and walk away in a while. True. Maybe it's time we do a Walmart trade. Yeah, this definitely kind of panicked out there. As soon as this held, my I stopped below this was the move. I just panicked out. Hate when I do that. I actually hate it. Of course, we're making new highs now. Man, that's so frustrating. Frustrating way to trade. Yeah, I mean now we're going though, testing the 690s. It's just, I mean, and I'm sad that I did not. I should have held, man. All right, we touched the 690s, and now watch this pullback. Let's see if we get a pullback here. Really need this. Really want this to pull back now, but man, I'm gonna miss it now. That's the problem. We're gonna miss out. This is always where I get in trouble. Honestly, like this is sometimes where I have had my worst trades is when I stop out too early, and then to make up for it, I chase the move at the top, and then we get a bigger pullback, and then things just start to fall apart. I've done that many times, and I think that's where I just have to be patient. If you mess up, don't compound the issues. Just grinding higher now without me. Hey, Caesar, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. Only above 693. Yeah. Your mental game today is terrible. That's why you're just paper trading. Hey, that's a good idea. I feel pretty good about. I mean, I feel pretty good about today. This was just a bad decision. I just panicked out a little bit too soon, and I have a tendency to panic out when I'm trading bigger size. So, but hey, this was a really nice trade. So we also panicked out right here too. Gotta believe our stops and follow those. Commit to him. Oh, really? RH? Yeah. Yeah, anytime you go bigger size, that's definitely where things can definitely cause you to panic out a little bit sooner, or also hold on to your losers a lot more. All right, you know what? I'm gonna go grab me some chicken nuggets. I'm gonna go grab me some. I'm gonna grab me some lunch. Hopefully, we'll see this thing consolidate, pull back. But I feel like right now might be a good time to go grab some. I'll be right back. We're back. Really, market? Really? That's unfortunate. Wow. Super unfortunate. This is looking very bullish. Can't believe we're not making more money. That is very sad. All right, maybe we get a pullback here, but oh, give me that pullback. Might have been. I will look to add here if we get close, where it gets a little tricky, a little dangerous doing this. Did I just? Hmm. Oh, this market. Is it gonna keep going? Short booked holding trailer. You're short, Mr. Wall Street? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did I buy the top? We shall find out. Do I use level 2? No, I don't. And I feel like we need to take this trade on our Apex accounts. We gotta take it. I'm gonna have my stop right here. I feel like I should just walk away, let the trade work, or I'm gonna freak out. Come on, market. Don't die on me now. Don't die on me now. Ugh. My Tradeify live accounts was from straight to funded. Yes. Now we wait. Now we wait. Just gonna try to be patient. Come on, let's see it rip. Give me new highs. Give me new highs. That's all I need. All right, I think we got filled on one. Now we see if we can't. Gonna see if we can't. If we break out to new highs, then we're gonna see if we can't trail it. I might actually just take. Could probably just take this off right here. Whoa! Whoa, did you see that? Jeez. Jeez, Louise. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, snap. Let's go, boys. Rip it. I think I'm going to take that. I mean, that's not a bad start. We're going to take it. Man, I wish I would have kept this one. Of course, I didn't get any slippage in my favor. What a rip. Man, this is so bullish. Oh, man. What a rip. That's a nice breakout. That's a really nice breakout. Now we just wait. Maybe we get another pullback. Let's hope we get another pullback. Why don't I trade top step accounts? Honestly, I probably would if they would allow a Tradeovate connection with NinjaTrader. But they're like they're really weird about stuff like that. But gotta wait. Let's get another pullback here, please. We might just continue higher here. I think this is gonna keep ripping. Might not. I think we're gonna get a pullback on this right now. Hey, your first time trading? Oh, wow. Hey, good luck, sir. It's, give yourself a lot of time to learn. Give yourself a lot of time to learn. It's the easiest, hardest thing you'll ever do. And here we go, breaking up through the 730s now. Just continuing higher, 732s, 733s. There she goes, 734s, 5s. Wow, what a nice move. Man. Oh, having a good day, but I feel like I should be having a little bit of a better day actually. Anyway, no hindsight trading. Why don't we just wait? Wait for a pullback and then we jump in again. And what a rip. There she goes, 740s. Wow. So, man, what kind of resistance? I mean, obviously we have the 815, 820 area is going to be, I mean, obviously the 800s. Do you have the 760s maybe? I don't know, but wow, just a big move, big move higher. 744s now, 745s. I'm in. You've been trading for 7 years. Okay. How do I know that? Yes, Steve Crew. Nice. Congrats for those that held. Wish I would have held. Give me a pullback. Mm. Dominic Doppler Gibbons. And and this is a slow grind, man. Is a slow grind. Come on, give me a nice pullback. I'd love like a 40, 50, 40 point pip lower would be nice. 30 points. Back down to the 710s, something like that. But this is also where I will start being more aggressive. I'm actually going to switch to micros just so I can add a little bit better. Like once we see big moves like this, I'm going to be more aggressive on my Tradify accounts. And I'll just add if we continue pulling back. But a lot of times when we start having these really aggressive moves higher, just don't get much of a pullback. I'm going to be more aggressive. We buy the dips. We keep buying the dips. This is one where I hope we pull back more so I can add 5 more micros. I need to go fill my water bottle. We're back. All right, may we get a bigger pullback here. I'm on down. All right. I mean, I might not even get a chance. I don't really want to take this trade on my Apex accounts because we're we're a little bit too far away from the EMA for my liking. Even though it is a pretty decent setup here. Man. Oh, wow. And I mean, I guess I'm just gonna hold this. I guess we just hold, and if we keep going higher, fine. We pull back, add. It's very bullish. Very bullish. Crazy. Let's see if 720 holds. Yeah. Oh, do we have a bond auction? I don't think so. Yeah, I mean, I feel like this is safe, but around 230. Around 230 is where it does get a little bit tricky. And usually around that time is where you can start to see a little bit of like, it can shift to 230 but right now this is just very, very bullish. Keep. All right, let's see if we make new highs. This price action is going to lull us to sleep. Gonna get tiresome here. Did you see the lows this morning around 4:30? Yeah, I know. Look at So where is my funded future account? Right here. I actually like here it can show better if I go like this. So at the open yesterday, like I felt like this was a pretty safe, like we're going lower. So I took a short right here, and then I took a short here, and I kid you not, my take profit on this trade here, this short, my take profit was 440. I mean, I got yeah, I kind of got no, sorry, my take profit was the low here. My take profit was the low of this candle. And then I got scared and I kind of took it a little bit too soon. But then I had this big trade and I didn't get my take profit hit. My take profit was the 400s, and I was a little bit too worried about this. I definitely left. I mean, I've had a good day, but I left a lot of money on the table in the overnight session. Look at this thing. It just keeps going. Just keeps going. I mean, it's fine, I guess. I guess it's okay, but man, we're not even getting in our full position here. I'm just going to keep it going. I'm just going to keep it going this time. It just keeps going, man. We ride the wave. Why not? Now, let's see if we continue through the 750s. I mean, at this point, I feel like the 800s are definitely in play. The 800s are in play. Now, be interesting if this rips lower now, but we did make new highs, but now we're pulling back immediately pulling back about 10, 15 points. Hey, thank you, Jay Jackson. I'm not complaining. Definitely not complaining. Do I believe the market is ran on an algorithm? I know, not like some people believe. I think there's a lot of randomness that happens in the market as well. All right, are we actually gonna starting to see a little bit of wicks here, but feel like it's right now on the edge where I feel kind of could almost close this right here and hope we get a bigger pullback. Feel like we are going to get a pullback here. Or I just keep this and then add on the pullback. think I'm gonna do that just in case this rips higher now. Oh wow, Tradeify has officially 10,000 payouts, and they've officially reached 40 million paid out now. That's awesome. Love to see it. Also kind of shows just how crazy big that Apex really is. I mean, Tradeify has been going for a good they've been going for a good 7-8 months. 7-8 months, and they have 40 million in payouts, and Apex is doing about 30 million a month. Just crazy. Crazy. I really like Tradeify though. Like they're doing things the right way. Do you think it's easier to be a profitable trader or a trading influencer selling a dream? You're trying to decide on a path. How would I say that? That's a good question, Karobo. Do you think it's easier to be a profitable trader or a trading influencer selling a dream? It's a fair question. I mean, okay. Like, anybody can start a YouTube channel. It costs zero money. Anybody can start a YouTube channel and start making videos. But there's a lot of people that do that, and it's not as easy to grow the channel and to actually like continue growing the channel. It definitely takes time and commitment. Would I say it's easy? I don't know that it would be easy, but you do have to, not anybody can do it, I guess. Obviously, you have to have somewhat of a personality, and you have to know how to entertain, at least keep, somewhat of a audience. But, which one is easier? It's probably easier to be an influencer. I don't know what you mean by selling a dream. I'm not selling a dream. From the very beginning, I have literally always stated, I am just sharing my journey. I'm sharing my journey, the good, bad, and ugly. If you call that a dream, I guess whatever, but we just, I just sharing my journey. You have to be pretty talented to do either. Being a BS artist isn't easy. You know, I mean, yet here we are. Some of them are $400 to $700 from what I saw. Prop shop activation fee. Yeah, that I don't even want to. That's crazy. Anybody can start a YouTube channel. Doesn't mean they'll ever make money from it. Yeah, it's true. Like it doesn't. It just. I mean, I don't know. Sometimes it doesn't. I think there's definitely some variables that go in play with it, but you do need to know how to keep an audience and to stay somewhat entertain, you know? If you just sit and trade, if you don't talk at all, it's going to be hard to retain viewers. People want to be talked to. People want engagement. But this trade is starting to feel a little bit icky. Little bit, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of these wicks. But at the same time, we're still in an uptrend. It's still very bullish. I'm going to wait. If we get close, if I need to add here, I will. Maybe we can DCA. I cannot even share a dream with the missus. You can't even sell your dream to the missus. Uh-oh. That's funny. That's funny. I think personal branding is underrated. People underestimate what ICT has done, even if he is not profitable. Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, what he's done on YouTube with his brand, and like I look at a big, yeah, it's, it definitely requires um a unique personality. Most influencers are full of it, but Nutty's the real deal. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I there's more there's more out there that are the real deal as well. But I don't know. It is what it is. There's definitely people that, yeah. I mean, there's definitely some just for entertainment purposes sometimes, but for the most part, what you see is what you get. I'm no I'm no different when I'm trading and when I'm streaming and when I'm not. I'm the same guy. I'm just as crazy when I'm not streaming. You know. Nutty was Amish. He used to do buggy salesman. A buggy salesman. uh that's funny. I'm selling a dream. You're selling a dream, Nutty. If you said we follow you, that we can have a green yard like me. I don't even think I even said that ever. I don't think I've said that, but I mean, maybe. uh Stay humble. Yeah, amen. Amen. Honestly, that isn't just for streaming. I think that is in life in general. Staying humble in life, I think, is a very underrated quality. And it's very cringy to me when people are not humble. I don't know. Or it's always, I don't know, it just doesn't, especially like, I don't know. I think it's even more, it's more when people that, your viewership and your viewers, people that look up to you, they're they're actually the reason for your success. And it's like a twofold, it's a it's a give and take um transaction, I guess. Because obviously you watch because you enjoy it, but it has to be it's important to recognize, in my opinion, that your viewers and the people that support you are the reason that you are successful. And it's important to recognize that and to be appreciative and thankful for that. And on the flip side of it, yes, you created a channel that people enjoy to follow, which is definitely, it wasn't done without any work. It definitely requires work, but it's a twofold thing. One doesn't happen with the other, and the other doesn't happen without, you know, the other part. So, but anyway. Meanwhile, I'm going to be in this trade till 5 o'clock tonight. The way this is looking. This market is going absolutely nowhere. Very funny, Kevin G. I should start a YouTube channel about grass. Don't tempt me, Sean. Oh, don't tempt me. I've thought about it. I need to focus on creating my golf YouTube channel. Honestly, I need to. And I just haven't had time, and I'm probably too picky. I've actually created 2 different videos, and I've scrapped both videos. They just weren't, the camera work was too shaky. It just, it's actually a lot harder than I thought it would be. But I would actually love to do a channel on lawn care and time lapse of mowing the lawn and just stuff like that. I would enjoy it. I really would. Don't tempt me with a good time. What I would like to do is start a YouTube channel and then document the process of creating my own golf putting green and the progress to creating the putting green. I don't want to do it. Just haven't made the leap yet. Someday we will. Exactly, Sean. Business expense. Exactly. Gotta start thinking about that stuff, you know? Definitely need to start thinking about some of that. I paid the IRS way too much money a couple months ago. Way too much. Wow, this market is really going sideways. This is actually one of those trades where I'm tempted to do a Walmart trade. Shut it down, come back at the end of the day and close the trade. I do think we go higher, but right now we're just going sideways. We are just going sideways. Usually if we go sideways like this, we will see one dip lower and then it will be followed with the move higher. Hang on, I got to take this. Oh my goodness. How long have I been talking to myself? How long? Tell me. No, actually, don't tell me. Don't tell me. Yep, we got issues with the camera again. What the world? Should I just close this stupid trade? Actually, it's not a stupid trade. It's a good trade. No video, no sound. And you guys are still here? Oh man. Ay ay ay. Ay ay ay. I had no video and no sound. I'm not kidding. I was probably talking to myself for, man, I'm not even sure. I don't want to talk about it. All right. I mean, 750s. I think I'm going to take it off. I'm going to take my profit there, the 750s. I guess I should hold, but man, just lock in profits. Dude, we only need $600 more and we have this account back to 9,000. Oh, that'd be so sweet. And I call myself a YouTuber. I'm not sure who's more feel like you guys are getting scammed. You guys are definitely getting scammed right now. No doubt about it. Oh man. But there is something wrong with my USB. I'm starting to think it's something else. Anyway, I should think I'm going to go. I think I'm going to call it because my camera doesn't work again. I need to find a cord and I cannot find one. I might run to Walmart and get me a new USB and get this thing fixed. That something is wrong. I'm telling you, Scruffy. Something is wrong. Anyway. All right, guys. I think I'm going to call it a very good day. And now the key is to not mess it up from now until 5 o'clock. So I'm going to try very, very hard to not mess things up from now until close. Do a Walmart trade? I could. I actually could. Don't tempt me, man. Don't tempt me. I do it. All right, guys. I know you guys can't see me again for the second day in a row. Sorry, JY. All right, guys. I'm signing out. I'm signing off. Thanks everyone for watching today. Appreciate the support. And hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. We'll be back at it tomorrow. Take care and God bless.